Hey guys, welcome to the Java tutorial for beginners. And in this tutorial, we will discuss about parameterized methods. So let's start. I will use the existing program which we wrote in our previous tutorial. So that will be help us in better understanding. So let's start. So this is the class car we created earlier, and these are the three methods: start car, and drive the car, and stop the car, and then we calculated mm, the mileage of the car. So now what we will do is we will add one more method and assign some parameters to it, and then we will pass the values of this distance and fuel through the parameters, right? So let's start. So void set parameter, and here let me give double. I have to use double because these variables are in double type, and so I have to use double only. So for distance I will use D, and then double. For fuel I will use F. Okay, so now I will assign the values of these parameters to the actual variables. So distance is equal to D, and fuel is equal to F, right? So we have created this, and now we have given the values here. We will delete these values because we will give these values directly. So Audi dot that set parameter, and here we will give value of t, which is distance 100 miles, and fuel will give like 10, right? So let's see. So here the value is distance. I mean 10 is mileage. So how it works? It works like these values are passed to these parameters, right? And this value is assigned to these variables which are calculated here, right? And that is printed here, right? So let's see for next one we will remove this one, and we will write bmw dot set parameters. We will give this time 300, and fuel we will give 10. Okay, so it should print 30, right? So this is 30. It is printed now. Okay, so what happened first, this object was created, and these statements will be executed, and these values are passed to the parameters, these parameters, and assigned to the variables and calculated, and then printed here, right? And same way these values are passed to these parameters and assigned to the variables, and then calculated and printed here. So that's how we can assign values through parameters. So this is all for today, and tomorrow we will discuss about constructors. So thank you guys.